The Xiaomi Mi 10 is an out-and-out flagship smartphone with the best hardware available right now and which lets you play just about any Android game at peak frame rates. But there's more you can do to improve the overall gaming experience. The Mi 10 runs on MIUI 11, which has a dedicated game turbo mode. This is where you add the games you play frequently and the app automatically optimizes the phone to offer more resources. If it's still not enough, you can go to settings in the Game Turbo app and turn on performance mode and performance optimization. You can also configure the touch sensitivity and limit the area of touch resistance. This comes handy when you're playing a first-person shooter. Then there's the option to enhance the visuals with more brightness and saturation to make the most of the 6.67-inch HDR display. When the game is added to Game Turbo app, you will see an animation in the top corner when launching the game. You can also call up a nifty sidebar that comes with a host of features like voice changer, screen recording, visual enhancement, and much more. After the right settings are applied, you will notice a good improvement in the overall gaming performance. Thanks for watching.